Hello everyone, I will show you how to read on bench this UCH. This is X84-N2. I have another one. I have two of them. I will show you how to read the pin and the ISK code on the bench and how to make it virgin. For this, I will use Renolink and my Godiac brake box adapter. Okay, first let's try to connect the pinout in order to can communicate with it. In PP1, the first one, it will be the ground. Now I will add two positive lines. Still in PP1, the third pin and the fourth pin, it will be the plus 12 volts. What we will need else? We will need the can low and can high in order to can connect it with them. So the can high, it will be on the PE2, the 8 pin. So starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the same position with the 8 pin, you will connect the can low, which is the 18 pin. Now what we will need? We will need the power to our brake box. I will put it through here. I will connect the Renolink interface. But in order to get it working, we will still need two other things. What we will need a resistor, a 120 ohms, to be installed between can low and can high line. So that I will add here. I already have it prepared for the previous jobs, but I always connect the resistor between cans. This is a Renault car, and always you will need to close the can circuit. We will need also an ignition pin. Due to the fact this car have an electronic button to start stop the engine, we will need a trigger. The trigger is ground. Normally, according to the pinout, the pin is the 7 pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On this specific UCH, the 7 pin it's not working. If the 7 pin not working, we can go to 8 and 9. And if I connect the 9 pin from PE1 to the ground, as you can see, we have communication. If I disconnect, we don't have communication, but also in my power supply, it doesn't consuming power. So now we power up. We have everything running, and we will switch to the computer. Software it's open. What I can do, I can click on the scan, and if I select UCH and click start scanning, I should able to see the module here and to have a communication on the bench with the module. As you can see, UCH 84, the part number, and so on. If we want, we can have different communication or make different changes. Of course, it's on the bench, so a lot of parameters it will not be the right one. But we can have full communication. What I will do, I will click on the keys. I will select, I know it's a Megane 2, Scenic 2. I don't think it's phase 2. I will just hit on the read pin. And as you can see, we have the ISK key and the pin code. Normally, let's save the ISK key. Okay, the pin code. If we want to do it virgin, to adapt to another car, on the car we will do the adaptation. We will need to know the ISK key and the pin code. But this I can make it very easy virgin. I choose the BCM, so I know it's a Megane 2 Scenic 2 card. I just hit on connect. I can have clear IMO UCH. Are you sure? Yes. And now our UCH doesn't have any pin code or ISK code learned. If we will try to read again the pin code, let's see. It will tick here UCH is blank and no codes and also no key. If you want to adapt to a car, we need previously to read the ISK and the pin from the car. After we make this UCH blank, we will connect here at the process of keys. We will insert the ISK key, the pin code. We will connect and we will start learning the process. If we have here a key or something, we will learn also the key. We can validate, but right now the sequence is not correct. So no key learned to this UCH because we are on the bench. But we can close it. Let's try again. It's still blank because we did not make the synchronization and the learning of the key. But that's it if you want to work with this type of BCM from Renault on bench. You don't even need to spend time opening if you want to get the pin code and the ISK key. I will add the pinout in the video. Always keep in mind if the pin 7 doesn't work to switch to the pin 9, the ground. The trigger, the ignition, it's always on the ground.